Okay, let's be real for a second. College life is a whirlwind of activities, responsibilities, and expectations. Classes, projects, exams, a million deadlines, and somehow you're supposed to have a social life too? It's like trying to juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle. Yeah, I've been there. The stress, the sleepless nights, the constant feeling of being overwhelmed. But what if I told you there's a way to actually make it all work? With a little help from AI. Picture this. You're drowning in textbooks, sticky notes everywhere. Your laptop's about to start smoking. The chaos is real and it feels like there's no way out. Now, imagine a digital assistant just pops up, like your own study superhero. It's there to save the day, ready to tackle your to-do list with you. That's not science fiction anymore. It's real. AI technology has advanced so much that it can now be your personal study buddy. AI can literally organize your chaos. It can take that mess of notes and turn it into a structured, easy-to-navigate system. Need to find all your notes? It sorts them by topic in seconds. No more frantically searching through piles of paper or endless digital files. Stuck on a math problem? AI breaks it down step by step. No more late-night panic Googling. It's like having a tutor available 24/7. Got a research paper due? AI can summarize articles, pull out the key points, even help you structure your argument so it sounds like you actually know what you're talking about. It's like having a research assistant at your fingertips. But here's the best part. AI doesn't just do your homework for you. It actually helps you learn better. It's designed to enhance your understanding and retention of the material. It reminds you when to study, helps you build a custom plan, and keeps you on track, even if you're a champion procrastinator. It's like having a personal coach who's always there to keep you motivated. Suddenly, that mountain of work feels more like a neat little list you can actually handle. So, why keep stressing? With AI, you can turn chaos into order. You've got a powerful tool sitting right in your pocket. Your smartphone can be your gateway to a more organized, efficient, and less stressful academic life. Use it. Transform your study game, reclaim your time, and maybe, just maybe, enjoy college a little more. Ready to level up? Imagine having more time to hang out with friends, pursue hobbies, or just relax. Let AI be your ultimate study buddy. It's not just about getting through college. It's about thriving and making the most of your time there. Hit subscribe for more smart tips and let's ace this semester together. With AI by your side, anything is possible.